guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Diorshow Overcurl Mascara. If you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So just as a little bit of background on this Dior mascara, I actually was recommended by one of my longtime best friends to try this out. She has very gorgeous long eyelashes, and she, for like 10 years, swears by this mascara and has been telling me to try it. But it is a little bit pricey, regular price, so I just was waiting for a sale, and every time the Sephora VIB sale eventually came around, I forgot about it and I didn't buy it and it would pass me by. So finally, this time around with the recent 20% off sale, I finally caved in and bought it, and now I'm gonna be reviewing it for you guys. Ironically enough, I have another best friend who doesn't even know the first best friend, like they're from totally separate walks of my life. One is my high school best friend, one is my college best friend, and my college best friend also recommended it to me. She's actually not super into makeup, but even she swears by this mascara. So considering two of my absolute favorite people in my life have now recommended this exact product to me, I figured I absolutely have no excuse to not try it. So this mascara typically retails for around $38 to $40 Canadian, but I got mine during the VIB Sephora sale, so I got about 15 to 20% off, which was nice. So I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing for you guys now. So it comes in this beautiful silver box, classic Dior packaging, and the side just says Diorshow Iconic Overcurl in the shade 90. I don't know if there's any other shades, but yeah, that's the only one they had when I was in the store. And then at the bottom it just says Spectacular 24-Hour Volume and Curl Mascara, Lash Fortifying Care Effect, Dior. And it's 6 grams of product. The side of the box just says the word mascara in a million different languages. And then this side says Spectacular Volume and Curl Mascara, 24-hour wear. Instantly, its volume boosting texture combined with the iconic curved lash curler brush lengthens, coats, and sets lashes from root to tip for astonishing curl and volume with 24-hour wear. Day after day, it's formula enriched with lash care ingredients with revitalizing properties and in cotton nectar for a nourishing effect, helps durably shape lashes and make them visibly strong and soft for even more spectacular curl. Specially designed and tested to style different types of lashes. Rinses away easily with lukewarm water. Does not require makeup remover. Instrumental test on 20 women. That is a pretty interesting promise that it comes off without makeup remover. We shall see. And then the back just has ingredients and it shows you what the brush looks like. Enough about the box, let's get on to the mascara itself. So here it is. It's this gorgeous silver metal casing. It says simply Dior here, and there is metal here that just says Dior, 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 which is super gorgeous and luxe. The back says Diorshow Iconic Overcurl. There's the bottom, and the top has CD for Christian Dior as usual. And you just open it up by twisting the top like a normal mascara and pulling it out. And as you can see, it's called Iconic Overcurl because the wand is curved like this, which is quite interesting. I will say it's a pretty fluffy brush at first glance. It's definitely not like a thin brush. The bristles are very thick. So I feel like usually when that's the case, it's going to be a more volumizing mascara, but we shall see. I'm gonna start by curling my lashes first. So normally I am not at all a mascara person. My entire life I've been searching everywhere for the perfect mascara, and sadly I've yet to find it. I'm sure a lot of other people out there with thin, straight eyelashes, like a lot of my Asian sisters out there, know the struggle in finding a mascara that coats, let alone lifts and lengthens or does anything noticeable to your lashes. Normally, mascaras just weigh them down and just make them more droopy and don't lengthen them at all. So it's just a waste of money and effort because it doesn't make any difference to my overall eyelashes, to be honest with you. So normally I just stick to wearing magnetic falsies, but even those I tend to get really annoyed because they lift in the corners, they're never quite straight, and yeah, lashes are just something I've always struggled with. So hopefully this mascara is the new holy grail. We shall see. All right, so here we go. So to start, I'm actually going to curve it so that it is concave and the curve is facing up. And just sort of scoop the lashes up like this. We're getting real up close and personal here, sorry. So overall, I found the formula to be very, very chunky and thick and smudgy. As you can see, it's smudged all over my upper eyelid. Normally, mascaras don't do that for me if I'm careful, but for this one, I was being extra careful and it still happened. So I'm not a huge fan of that. However, I will say the lift is pretty amazing. My lashes are normally non-existent even after mascara, and this definitely curled them, I'll say. So overall, if I had to say if this mascara lives up to the hype, I would say yes and no. Yes, in the sense that it definitely delivers, in the sense that it overcurls your lashes and makes them really voluminous and curled. However, the smudginess and the heaviness is something I could do without. I also have tried this once before and then tried taking it off with just water, as the box claims that it can do, and it definitely did not come off with just water. I tried cold water, lukewarm water, and warm water, and it just smudged like crazy. It's very, very, very smudgy. If you think it's smudgy and thick going on when you're trying to wash it off, it's like a nightmare. I don't exactly know what kind of magic juice is in the formula that makes it so that it sticks up like that. Maybe there's like some sort of special glue and serum in it or something, but it really holds the curl, which I personally never ever experienced with mascara. I think this is the first time I've actually used a mascara and it did what it was supposed to do, which sounds so sad, but yeah. I also had to use a lot of makeup remover for it to come off. So for that reason, I probably won't be using this as an everyday mascara because the consistency is just so thick and heavy. But in terms of holding the curl, it definitely does that. If I had to compare it to another curl mascara wand mascara out there, I would actually compare it to the Tower28 Mascara. This one I also got recently in the Sephora VIB sale. It is much cheaper. I believe it's like $24 or something like that. I got it on sale. And yeah, so this one is similar to the Dior one in the sense that, once again, it is a curved wand. But as you can see, the bristles are very plasticky and they're much thinner. So yeah, guys, this is the Dior one. As you can see, it's like a fuzzy caterpillar. It's very thick. And then the Tower28 one is very thin and clean and plasticky with a very, very thin consistency, whereas the Dior one is just really chunky. You can see the product coming off the end there. So that is it for my Diorshow Overcurl Mascara review. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments down below if you are thinking of getting this mascara, and if you do have it, if you agree with my best friends that it's the best, or if you think that there's better ones out there, and if you do, please let me know. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would truly mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!